Hello, amazing parents, caregivers, and little learners. Welcome back to our Fun Learning Corner, where playtime becomes brain time. Today, we're diving into 10 fun learning activities for toddlers that are simple, exciting, and perfect for home. These activities help build creativity, coordination, and early learning skills, all while having fun. Let's start with colors. Grab some colored cups and small objects like blocks or pom-poms. Place colored cups in front of your toddler. Ask them to match objects to the correct color. This builds color recognition and sorting skills. Time to explore shapes. Give your toddler a shape puzzle. Help them match shapes to the correct slots. This improves problem solving and spatial awareness. Let's get musical. Try songs like head, shoulders, knees, and toes, or if you're happy and you know it. Perfect for language development and motor skills. Messy? Maybe. Worth it? Absolutely. How to set up. Fill a bin with rice, pasta, or sand. Add cups, spoons, and small toys. Encourages sensory exploration and fine motor skills. Storytime just got magical. Read a simple book. Use toys or puppets as characters. Boosts imagination and listening skills. Let's get creative. Use safe washable paints. Let toddlers explore freely. Builds creativity and sensory skills. Learning letters can be an adventure. Hide letter cards around the room. Let your toddler find them. Great for early literacy skills. Let's build something amazing. Try this. Stack blocks together. Build towers and knock them down. Develops coordination and creativity. Let's get silly with animal sounds. Show animal pictures. Make the sound together. Supports memory and language development. Time to move and groove. Steps. Play music. Stop it randomly. Freeze. Improves listening and self-control. And there you have it. 10 fun and easy learning activities for your toddler. Remember, the best learning happens through play, laughter, and love. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with other amazing parents.
Today we are going to make something super silly and super fun. Shape monsters. But guess what? While we make our monsters, we will also learn about shapes. We will use circles, triangles, and squares to create funny monsters. Are you ready to craft and learn? Let's get started. First, let's check our craft supplies. You will need colored paper, glue, googly eyes, scissors, and your imagination. Make sure to ask a grown-up to help you with the scissors if you need help. All right, let's start by cutting some shapes. Let's begin with a circle. A circle is round like a ball or the sun. Cut a big circle from your colored paper. Now let's cut a square. A square has 4 sides that are all the same length. Great job! Next is a triangle. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. Wow! Look at all these shapes. We now have everything we need to build our monster. Let's create our monster. Take your big circle and glue it down on the paper. This will be the monster's body. Now glue a square on top for the monster's head. Next, attach the triangle for spiky monster ears or teeth. You can add more shapes if you like. Maybe small circles for hands or tiny triangles for scary spikes. Your monster can look funny, cute, or super silly. Now let's bring our monster to life. Glue on some googly eyes. Maybe your monster has 1 eye, or 2 eyes, or even 5 silly eyes. Draw a big smile or silly teeth using a marker. Wow! Look at that monster. Let's review the shapes we used today. Can you spot the circle? That's the monster's body. Where is the square? That's the monster's head. And look at the triangles. They make awesome monster spikes. Great learning today. You did an amazing job today. Now you can make lots of different shaped monsters using circles, squares, triangles, and more. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more fun crafts, and show your monster to your friends and family. See you in the next craft adventure. Bye, everyone.
Hey, everyone. Look what I found in the toy room. It's a big mystery crate. Should we open it together? Ready? 3, 2, 1. Open! Wow, look at this. It's a set of toy trains. But wait, something is strange. All the trains are the same color. They're grey. That's not very fun. Oh look, this toy set comes with a magic color station. We can paint each train a different color. Then we can send them on a train adventure. Let's turn on the signal lights so we know which color to paint each train. This train will be red. Red! This one will be orange. Orange. Next train will be yellow. Yellow. This train will be green. Green. This one will be blue. Blue. And the last train will be purple. Purple! Wow! Look at the trains now. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. They look amazing. Let's send the trains on the track. Oh no, the track here is too small. How will the trains go on an adventure? Hi friends. Hi Lily. What are you doing? We painted our trains and want to race them, but there's no space. I know the perfect place. Really? Yes. Follow me to the Rainbow Railway Park. Welcome to the Rainbow Railway. Let me show you the track. First, the trains must pass the red signal lights. Then they travel through the Orange Mountain Tunnel. After that, they roll over the yellow Sunshine Hills. Next, they cross the green Jungle Bridge. Then they glide along the blue ocean track. Be careful, it's slippery. And finally, they must go through the purple spiral tunnel. After that, we'll see which train reaches the station first. Ready for the race! The red train is ready! The orange train is ready. The yellow train is ready. The green train is ready. The blue train is ready. The purple train is ready. All aboard. Let the train adventure begin. The trains are passing the red signal lights. The red train is moving ahead. Now they are entering the Orange Mountain Tunnel. The orange train is speeding up. Next, they roll over the yellow Sunshine Hills. The yellow train is now in the lead. Now they are crossing the green Jungle Bridge. Look, the green train is ahead. The trains are gliding across the blue ocean track. The blue train is zooming forward. And here comes the final challenge. The purple spiral tunnel. Wow! The purple train came through first. Now the trains are racing to the station. Chug, chug, chug. Faster and faster. And the winner is... Wait, all the trains arrived at the same time. That means everyone wins. Let's say the colors together. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Great job learning colors today. See you next time for another toy adventure. Like and subscribe for more learning videos.